everyone, today we are going to draw a glass. So here, this is the sectional view of the glass we are going to draw. First of all, we will select the front plane to draw the sectional view. So in the front plane, we are drawing a straight line and then we are going to draw a spline. So for the spline, we need to draw the starting point, then another point, and then the ending point. Here we press the escape key. So now we need to close the boundary. So we are closing the entire sketch. Now that we are going to draw a center line because we need to revolve this sketch around this center line. So yes, so we are revolving this part. So we click the revolve boss or base. So this is the first part of our glass. Now we are going to change the color of the glass. So here we are in apparent scenes and decals section. So from here we can choose any of them, whatever you feel appropriate. Now we are going to draw the handle of the glass. We could draw the starting point from the middle of the center line, but we are drawing the line from the boundary of the glass. Yeah, we are almost in the boundary. So this is a horizontal line. Now we are going to draw. Again we press the escape key to close the spline. Now we need to create a plane. So in the plane section, we are selecting the front plane. No, the right plane. And then the corner point of the straight line, that will be coincident. So we have a new plane here right now. Now we are going to draw the rectangle. The rectangle which will be swept over this profile. Now we need to go out of the sketch and click sweep boss. So first of all, we are selecting the sketch which will be swept. Then the path, the selected path.